You have four choices when you start these problems, of which you could have things to isolate. X, Y, X, and Y. You can isolate any one of those four. Try to find the easiest one to isolate, and in this system, I think it's this one. So let's start with negative y equals negative 3x plus 10, moving this to that side. Divide everything by negative 1. We can now put that back into this. So x squared plus 6 times 3x minus 10 equals 28. So x squared plus 18x minus 60 equals 28. X squared plus 18x minus 60 minus 28 equals 0, moving the 28 to the left. And you're going to have to simplify those back terms there. So you'll come up with x squared plus 18x minus 88 equals 0. So you can try to factor, or you can use the quadratic formula. You could factor this by doing x plus 22 and x minus 4, which would give you answers of the following: x equals a negative 22 or x equals 4. And that's what we have to put back into the top up here. So we'll start with 3x minus y equals 10, and we're going to plug in a negative 22 first. When we do that, we're going to end up with a negative 66 minus y equals 10, and move that negative 66 to the right, make it plus 66, and get a 76, which then becomes negative 76. We put in a negative 22 and got back a 76. Negative 76. I guess the mark didn't show up when I tapped it. Alright, so 3x minus y equals 10. We're going to plug in now a 4, so 3 times 4 minus y equals 10. 12 minus y equals 10. And keep the negative y and make it minus 12 on the right. So that's a negative 2. Y would equal a positive 2. So we plugged in a 4 and got back a 2. So you should have negative 22, negative 76, and 4, 2.